Good morning, fourth graders. Yesterday, I feel like I wasn't really clear with how to work the pixel art, so here's a quick video and me explaining it to you, okay? So when you open up your 20 color pixel art, down here you see all of these tabs. I want you to go to area. You see how I'm clicking here? Area. Now, when I did a practice, I accidentally uploaded this. So when you can just click on a square and then hit the back button. And you see how that gets rid of it? So now I'm going to use my arrow key up and I'm going to hit backspace again. So I'm just going to erase this really quick. It takes a little bit of coordination actually, fourth graders. You might be a little bit better at it than me. So here I am just deleting what I have for practice. It was my mistake that I accidentally uploaded it as my practice. So I just want to inform you that it's just my mistake. Don't worry about it. Okay, so now that I have a clean sheet, I want you to take the first letter of your name or your last name, kind of your choice. Now look up here. I have all of these colors that I get to choose from. I like this purple, so this is in the letter Q. You see that? So I can go anywhere here on these squares. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to choose the letter A for Allison. I'm going to put in the letter Q, and then I'm going to hit the arrow key up because this is where I want it to go. So here it has the purple square. Now I want to make the letter A. So I'm going to go up maybe this far. Now I want my letter to be pretty thick so I can read it better. So I'm going to make 2 lines, maybe like this, kind of go over like that. Maybe one more. Start going down. Maybe one more over to make it even. So now this doesn't quite look like an A yet, so let's go here. Alright, so here's my letter A. So now over here, now I want you to write, you can just type in here perimeter, find the perimeter, and then I also want you to find the area. So here I'm just typing in like that, okay? So here I can count around here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, so my perimeter, I just counted as 36 units around. I'm going to have to delete this part. Delete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 35 minus 6 is equal to 29. Alright, so 29 units. For area, I'm going to have to do the same. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to have to take it 8, which is my length, multiply it by how much do I have across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 times 7. Then whatever that is equal to, then I'm going to have to delete the area of this. I'm going to have to delete the area of this. I hope that's making a little bit more sense. Okay, so that's all the time that I'm going to use for this, alright? If you have questions, come let me know.